Welcome to our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today we are visiting another important place situated in Negombo Lagoon of Sri Lanka. Today we are at Muthurajawela wetlands. Muthurajawela is a marsh in Sri Lanka in the southern region of the Negombo Lagoon, 30 kilometers north of Colombo. The Muthurajawela marshes are 3,068 hectares in area and the country's largest saline coastal peat bog. The marsh is notable for its unique and highly diverse ecosystem and is listed as one of 12 priority wetlands in Sri Lanka. The meaning of the word Muthurajawela is swamp of royal treasure. Now we are at Muthurajawela Visitor Centre, situated in Bopitiya, Pamanugama. Muthurajawela Visitor Centre is a functional institution dedicated to promote true environmental tourism. Boat rides provided by the centre to enjoy the scenic beauty and to study the aesthetic value of the landscape extending over the wetland from Muthurajawela to the Negombo Lagoon is one of the main tourist attractions available at this institution. The boat rides are organized with emphasis on the historical, international, social and economic and biological importance of the wetland. The services available at this place are private cruises, guided tours, extended boat tours, special birdwatching tours and 2-hour boat tours. The crew that works in Muthurajawela Visitor Centre are very friendly. Before starting our boat ride, they explain each and every detail related to Muthurajawela wetlands. Let's start our boat ride. We were given life jackets before on board, and the boat was equipped with safety gears. The total passenger capacity is about 6 to 8 adults. This journey gives informative experience, especially for children. We start our journey around 11 o'clock, but we suggest you to start early morning. The journey will take approximately 2 hours to complete. During this journey, you will learn about rich biodiversity of tropical wetland, flora and fauna in Muthurajawela ecosystem, marine transport in Dutch and British colonial periods, livelihood of coastal wetland, endemic birds and other fauna species, how human activities are affect to the natural ecosystem, and different types of vegetation. Here we are sailing through the Hamilton Canal. The Hamilton Canal, which is commonly known as the Dutch Canal, is a 14.5 kilometers canal connecting Puttlam to Colombo, passing through Negombo in Sri Lanka. This canal was constructed by the British in 1802 and completed in 1804. It was designed to drain salt water out of the Muthurajawela wetlands. The canal was named after Gavin Hamilton, the government agent of revenue and commerce. As I mentioned earlier, during this boat safari, numerous bird species can be observed. According to the records, 102 species of the birds in Sri Lanka are found here. It includes 1 endemic and 19 migrant birds. The mixture of vegetation types and aquatic habitats in Muthurajawela has made it an ideal ecozone for a variety of birds. The birds such as herons, egrets, cormorants, teal, waders and kingfishers are found here. We met this beautiful flock of birds at the entrance of the Negombo Lagoon. 40 species of fish have been recorded, which is 45% of Sri Lanka's native inland fish species and includes 5 endemics, 5 nationally endangered and 4 exotic species. The tilapia, pearl spot and the dwarf panchas are some of them. Now we can see a fisherman that fishes using a net. Can you see the fish that hooked into the fish net? Other than the birds, amphibians and reptiles are also live here. Amphibians consist of 14 species, including 4 endemic, 5 which are nationally endangered and represent 26% of the total amphibian species on the island. The common toad and the 6-toed green frog are the most common species found here. There are also 31 species of reptiles, 20% of the island's reptile species, including 6 endemic species and 9 which are nationally endangered. The most common reptiles which are seen are the water monitor, common garden lizard and 2 species of geckos. And we met a star tortoise also. A breeding population of the endangered Eurasian crocodile, the largest reptile in Muthurajawela. Other reptiles found are the Indian python, spectacled cobra and Russell's viper. As I mentioned earlier, 102 species of the birds in Sri Lanka are found here, including 1 endemic and 19 migrants. We were able to see many of them. Not only the birds, as we were mentioned, 48 species of butterflies have been recorded here. The most common butterflies are the blue glassy tiger and tailed jay butterflies. Muthurajawela harbors over 195 species of flora distributed over 7 major vegetation types, which includes marsh, lactic flora, shrubland, reed, swamp, grasslands, stream bank and mangrove forest. Mangroves are tropical plants that are adapted to loose, wet soils, salt water and being periodically submerged by tides. There are more than 50 species of mangroves found throughout the world. These mangroves provide valuable flood protection and risk reduction benefits to these coastal areas. However, due to the high level of human activity within the sanctuary, the flora composition at Muthurajawela seems to be changing rapidly. The major conservation problems encountered in Muthurajawela wetlands are land reclamation, clearing of vegetation, deliberate fire, and dumping of garbage. It is our responsibility to protect these places for the future. We invite all of you to visit this place and have this experience. But remember to bring only the memories and keep only the footprints. This is the end of our today's journey. We would like to thank the crew of Muthurajawela Visitor Center, and we invite all of you to visit this place and have this experience. Thank you for watching our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Have a nice day.